Hi everyone, it's me, and two things today. I'm going to share with you my little IPSY thing that I got, but I'm going to share some sad news that happened the other day. My little baby girl, Tirza, she's my Chihuahua Terrier, had gone missing overnight, and I had tried finding her, went driving down around the property. She never came home. My husband tried looking for her the next day, and I decided to take a different route home and came up just about to our property to where I turned to go to get it down our road, and I found her. And unfortunately, she was looked like her back had been broke. She was fully intact, but it looked like her back had been broken. She was under some leaves near, and she didn't make it. So we buried her on our property under a tree up at the corner where she liked so much. And I'm just going to share a couple pictures of her with you guys. She was such a sweet little girl. I got her when she was a baby. She was so small. I used to fit her in this small little purse and carry her everywhere. She didn't like the cold. She would wrap herself up in blankets and bury herself in there. And she's just the sweetest little girl. Anyways, and she used to love riding on my shoulder. And so I'm just going to show a couple pictures of her. So sad about it. I'm glad that she was intact and hadn't been eaten or anything like that. At least we could bury her. So that was nice. And it was really hard yesterday. I couldn't stop crying, but I'm doing much better. At least she's not in pain or anything. She's obviously at peace. So anyways, my kittens are fighting right here, so I'm hoping they don't knock this over. There, see, yep, they're playing. Anyways, I had wanted to see if anybody wanted to do an IPSY battle. I was getting a couple of things I ordered off of Amazon, and nobody really responded except for my aunt. So I've got one for her that's in a pink, and mine is in a green. So I'll coordinate with her. I'm going to send it to her. But I had a third one, and so I was going to kind of share that with you guys. So what I did was I ordered 3 of their skincare bags, 5 sample size products. They were only $7.50 a piece, so there wasn't like a huge amount, but I ordered 3, and it was really kind of nice. I got a little thank you in there as well, a little extra. So I thought that was kind of fun, so I'm going to share that first with you guys. There's 3 additional things in here. Or no, it looks like there's 4. Well, that's cool. I got 2 masks. I've got a Youthful Glow Mangosteen mask and a Peachy Glow hydrating mask. So that was kind of nice. I got 2 masks just for ordering. And then, I got an oatmeal cleanser. It's called Oat Milk Latte Cleanser. It's by Sweet Chef. Gentle cleanses and removes makeup. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, they're attacking little guy or little girl. Bobby is also not a Bob. Bob is Bobby. It's a girl. I didn't look close enough. She's so hairy. Yeah, the little kitty is a girl, not a boy. And then I got from Koki a soft glow highlighter. So this is the packaging. Can you see it? Let's see. Trying to get it to focus. There we go. Looks like a pretty color. That'll be fun. It's a natural finish, unique texture and blends. We'll have to check it out. So that was my little extras, and I'm sorry, it's got to focus. And so my other bag that, since nobody responded, this is kind of a fun little bag. Looks like it's black and green. And you can see what's on it. And cute little green zipper. Well, the fabric part is green, and I like green. That's like probably one of my favorite colors. So let's take a peek and see what's inside. First thing in here is a calming toner. So it's by Pure Aim, which is kind of cool. So I've got a cleanser, I've got a toner. It's actually calming toner. Can you see it all right? Let's try and get it to focus for you guys. Doesn't want to focus very well today. Lord. Okay, there we go. That's it. And these are all sample sizes. I like that. Ooh, we got some more fun stuff. And these little things come with 5 little samples, so it's not like a lot, but it's kind of fun. I just wanted to do something different from my normal everyday. And so the next thing is by Hip Dot. This is the package, the way it looks. And let's check her out. Sample size. Oh yeah. Just a very basic. Can you see? Very cute. Very cute. Very nice. Very simple. Blends well. So we got that. And then ooh, eyeshadow. Looks like another nice one. I like this one. This one's by looks like Coin Highlight. I can't read the name because I don't. Looks like a VC. I can't read it, but you can see it. It's really pretty color. Very, very basic. Yeah, there you go. You can see it. It's pretty. It's got a little shimmer to it. I think it'll be something I would wear. So very, very light. And I'm back to being blurry. Sorry. And those kitties are going crazy. Okay, so we've got 2 more things it looks like in here. Of course, one being a brush. Can I have a brush? It's a cute little brush. I like it. Very nice. And last thing in here. Let's check her out. Lip gloss. Woohoo! Pretty packaging. Again, I can't hold it. I'm trying to get it so you can see it. Oh, good Lord. Basic Beauty. Can you read it? Oh, come on. Basic Beauty blend. Well, it doesn't want to cooperate. I think I may have dropped my phone one too many times. There we go. So these are sample sizes. I like wearing lip gloss. I don't usually wear it all that often, but I used to wear it a lot more when I worked at the casino. I used to work in the casino. It's a pretty color. Very nice. It doesn't have it says literally. That's the color of it. Let's see. It's a lip gloss, so there you go. Very goes with the colors that they sent. I like it. In fact, let's check it out. It's a very subtle color. It's very much up my alley. I like it. The texture is very nice. A very, very nice lip gloss. I like it. And it looks like it has a little shimmer in it, although you probably can't see right now. But it has a little shimmer in it as well. So I like it. So that was everything that I got in my little $5 deal. And my next one I'll do with my aunt. So this one I just did all on my own. And we'll do a battle, her and I. Mine against hers. So we'll keep you posted when that happens. Anyway, so my little goodies, again, I got a brush in my bag. I already put it in here. This is a nice little brush. We got the lip gloss. We got the toner. And we got the eyeshadow and the powder. Very, very basic powder. I like it's very pretty, cute little thing. And then for my little bonus stuff, I got some extras, which are always fun. I got the cleanser, which I'm gonna try that tomorrow. I'll be doing my, cleansing and do my mask tomorrow. So I'm gonna try that tomorrow. We got our Soft Glow highlighter. I like that color, looks very nice. And true, why don't we just open it up real quick? Why not? This seems like a full size, but no, that was kind of nice. Ooh, I like it. It's a really shimmer to it. I like that one. That's pretty. This is actually really nice. I don't know if you can see it though. Slightly. But it's a really pretty color. Very light. And the feel of it is very nice. Let's see, let's do this. Maybe you can see. Not using brush. I don't think you can really see right now. I didn't probably put a lot on, but it's very pretty. There's like a little shimmer to it. Very nice. And my kitty cats are just having a blast over here. They just took off with my tissue. Yep. They're in rare form. I like this. I don't know what my favorite is. I don't know yet. I do really like the lip gloss, and I really like this bonus. So, and I'm excited. I might try one of these masks tomorrow, since I've got two. Anyways, well, thanks for watching. I'm grateful for all of you, and I appreciate everyone. I am going to be sharing another message on Mask Monday. Whatever the cards I pull out from the prayer cards, and we'll see where it goes. So, thanks.